Hello everybody, welcome to the Busy Kids Studio. My name is Sahar and in today's video we are gonna make a greeting card for our best friend. The paper that I'm using today is called canvas paper. It's good for acrylic painting, oil painting, but today I'm using it as a construction paper. You can make your greeting card with construction paper, or you can use cardstock or any kind of paper that you have on hand. First, I draw a 7 by 10 rectangle on my paper. I want to paint just the front of my greeting card, so I draw a line at the middle and I stick a piece of tape on that part. Now I'm using my acrylic paint and start painting. The first color I'm using is the sky blue. Remember, always start with a little bit of paint, and then if you needed more, you can always get more. Now I paint the sky all blue. Now I'm using 2 shades of green to paint the grass and the bushes. I want 1 bush on each corner of my card. I'm gonna paint the flowers next. I'm gonna do it with splattering through my brush. I don't want to get flowers in the sky, I just want to get them in the bushes. So I just cover the sky part with 2 pieces of tissue paper. This would be much easier if you have a toothbrush at home. I didn't have any, so I just used my paintbrush. And as you see, I grab a little bit of paint and flip my finger through the brush and make splatters. I'm using burgundy color, pink color, and violet color for the flowers. I throw away the tissue paper and wait for a while until the flowers are dry. Then I grab my pencil and draw the outline for 2 little bees. Do you know how to draw a bee? Now it's time to paint the bees. First, I start with the yellow parts and always start with outlining. It'll make the painting much easier. After you finished outlining, then you can fill it in. Remember that you might need more than one coat to have a nice finish. When you're done with the yellow parts, clean your brush and get some black and white paint in your palette. And first, to start with the white, we're gonna paint the wings. When you finish the wings, clean your brush and grab some black paint and start painting the black parts of the bee body. I also draw 2 little legs and 2 hands for my bees. Now with a little bit of black paint, I draw 2 antennas, 2 eyes, and a cute smile for my bees. I also wanted to write a cute note on my card, so with my black Sharpie, I wrote down, "Let's be friends forever." Now very slowly and carefully take the tape off your card, and you see it gave us a nice clean finish. Now I fold my card in half, and there you go, we're done. Good job guys! I hope you had fun. I'm sure your friend will be very excited about this. Don't forget to share your art with me on my social media and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video. Take care and bye!